In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a plan in Microsoft Planner. If you need to update a plan name because a project has changed, the title was entered incorrectly, or you simply want something clearer for your team, the good news is that Microsoft Planner makes this very quick to do. You can rename the plan directly from the plan itself, and the whole process only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. To get started, go to the plan you want to rename in Microsoft Planner. Make sure you're inside the correct plan before making any changes, especially if you manage several plans with similar names. Opening the right one first helps avoid confusion and ensures you're editing the correct project. Once the plan is open, look toward the top of the page for the current plan name. This is the title that appears as the main heading for the plan. Click directly on that plan name. In Microsoft Planner, the title is editable from this area, so clicking it allows you to make changes without opening any separate settings menu. If nothing seems to happen right away, just click carefully on the text itself, since that's the part you'll be editing. After that, type in the new name you want to use for the plan. Try to choose something clear and specific so it's easy for you and your team to recognize later. A good plan name can make navigation much easier, especially when you're working across multiple projects or departments. Once you've entered the new name, press enter on your keyboard to save the change. That's it. Your plan name should now be updated immediately. If you don't see the new name right away, give the page a moment to refresh visually, but in most cases the change appears as soon as you press enter. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to use a naming style that stays consistent across your plans. For example, you may want to include the project name, team name, or time period, depending on how your workspace is organized. That can make it much easier to find the right plan later. So again, the process is simple. Open your plan, click the existing plan name, type the new one, and press enter. Once you know where the editable title is, renaming plans in Microsoft Planner becomes a very fast task. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.